guys, how you doing? After the last video I posted, some people were wondering about how to run the whip finisher. I guess they're not familiar with maybe the type I use. There's many types out there. You can do it without a tool as well. I'm going to show you how to hook up the tool that I use, which is just a basic whip finisher, and a lot of them hook up the same way, and you can certainly do the same way with the fingers that I'm doing as well. So I'll give you an over-shoulder look at both of those kind of ways that I'm doing it. Alright, let's show you how to hook up the whip finisher. I mean, basically the type I use is just a Sunrise Vineyards ones are very similar to this. And anyways, you just come up underneath it, take the bobbin hand towards the vise, make a 360-degree roll with your whip finisher, and make a triangle or the figure four, whichever way you want to look at it. And then just keep that line parallel here to the hook shank. And you're going to take that triangle and go around the eye of the hook. I'm just using wool here so you can see it's a little easier than thread. So again, you come up underneath, take the bobbin hand towards the vise, 360-degree roll, figure four, line parallel with the hook shank, go around. When you want to unhook it, bring it back this way, unhook the small hook, and then pull it in like that. Again, you can do the same thing without a tool by putting your hands, take your two fingers, put them over top, go around. There's your kind of figure four, or your parallel to the hook shank with that line, and then you're just going around like that. And then when you want to unhook it, just pull it in, boom. So you can do it with or without the tool, entirely up to yourself. But anyways, hopefully that was some help to the few people that had some questions on how to run a whip finisher, and maybe it'll make it a little bit easier for you. Okay, thanks very much.